Hello, everyone. I thought I would start by telling you a story today. This is a story of Sally the Solopreneur. She's out there, she's passionate, she has a mobile dog grooming business, and she really, really wants to just go and help people take care of their pets so their pets can feel healthy and well cared for. So Sally starts her business and she knows she has to go out and network and make some more contacts, right? So she goes out, she joins a couple of networking groups, and in the first month, she goes to a networking group and she says, or she hears the speaker and they talk about you've got to, be on social media. So she goes and starts her social media pages. And then the next networking group she goes to, they say, oh, you should be doing podcasts. So she's thinking about starting a podcast. And then the next month she goes and they're like, oh, you have to do more networking. You have to do one-on-ones all the time, right? And then the next time she goes to the networking group, they say, now you should be out there speaking. You got to get in front of more audiences, And the next time she goes, they're like, you have to start your own Facebook group. The next time she goes, she hears the message, oh, you need to write a book so that you're an expert and authority in your business, and more people will buy from you. So by 3 or 4 or 5, 6 months in, Sally has gotten so many messages of what she needs to do to grow her business that her head is spinning. She's overwhelmed. She's trying to do everything at once, and nothing is leading her right back to having her passion, which is helping people take care of their pets. So that Sally is not alone, right? You may resonate with that. Every time you go to a networking event or hear another webinar or go to another online course, they're always telling you, do this, do this, do this, do this one thing. But how often do you stop and take a moment and think, does that really resonate with me as the business owner, with my passion? And how does it tie back into me getting more clients so I can stay in business, right? That's the piece that's missing. How does this Facebook group, or how does this social media ad, or how does this whatever, how does that tie back into me selling more of what I want to sell in my business? Well, if you can relate to any of that as Sally the Solopreneur, please consider checking out our 2-day live event, the Revenue Accelerator, coming up November 11th and 12th. It's live in Denver. It's limited to 12 people, 12 entrepreneurs just like you, whose heads are spinning, who need some guidance to figure out what is the one thing I want to sell more of, that I'm passionate about getting out there, and how do I tie all these marketing pieces back to getting more of that in my business, right? So that I can be successful and then keep doing what I love. So again, it's live Revenue Accelerator. You can find all the information about it. It's on November 11th and 12th. It's myself and Lori Dubois. You'll have 2 experts hands-on digging into your company, helping you plan and map out your revenue plan, as well as all the marketing pieces that are tied to that revenue plan so that you can generate some income going forward, and you feel like everything is in alignment with how you want to market your business. We'll have social media, we'll have a VA come in and help us with the tech stuff so you can get it all done in these 2 days. We promise we'll help you get it done. So again, the website to go and check it out is www.liverevenueaccelerator.com. I'll put the link below, but please check it out. We don't want Sally solopreneurs out there spinning and feeling like they're all alone and they don't know what to do with their business. So please come to this event and we can help you set up 2022 to be the most successful ever. Thanks so much. Bye.